The Black Friday weekend was really positive for retailers. Of course, you had the big winners like Amazon, but also a lot of the department stores, some of the mass merchants were reporting really strong sales. And when you see that positivity in November, that's usually a great sign that the rest of the season is going to continue to do well. And the other piece to keep in mind is that about 10% of holiday sales actually happens starting now, in the days after Christmas. Consumers do go back to return a lot of transactions, but there are a lot of sales that are really compelling now, too, as retailers are looking to clear out all their inventory. So the season's not done yet, and I definitely expect a strong finish through at least 2018.
So what did you say there in terms of the individual winners? Department stores you singled out?
Definitely, well, I should say some of the department stores. The ones that are doing well right now are companies like Macy's and Kohl's. They actually have had some pretty strong momentum. Of course, some of the ones that are not doing well are Sears and JCPenney. But in general, where we're seeing higher end, where we're seeing some of the investment in digital transformation, that's definitely where we're seeing more of the positive impact. Target, Walmart should have a decent holiday season as well. The companies that tend to not do as well, that we have not heard as much great news about, are some of the specialty big box retailers. Those are definitely some of the ones that have seen their share go to either the mass merchants or to Amazon.
And as we look at overall sentiment for 2019, what do you think will have a bigger effect on consumers? The sell-off in the stock market or the cheaper gas prices?
Well, for most Americans, it's actually the cheaper gas prices. Every $1 decrease in gas at the pump per gallon is usually about $700 back to the American consumer. And that money is money that absolutely goes back into discretionary spending. Usually, the biggest beneficiaries will be the mass merchants like a Walmart, dollar stores, sometimes convenience stores, but definitely sectors like grocery do really well when the gas prices go down. So that's certainly a factor that affects the average consumer, certainly at the lower end as well. The stock market is going to more likely affect the affluent consumer and the luxury sectors. So we expect probably some softness at the high end as a result of exactly what you're describing. But at the low end for now, it should be okay. We'll wait and see what tariffs do, because tariffs, that's the big unknown, is how much that ultimately affects consumer goods in 2019.